Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a fully functional mobile application that you can use inside your phone completely for free, and we are going to use Claude Code for that. So you will get the full understanding how we can create a fully functional mobile application. We don't want to code a single line, and we are going to create an application for this decision battle. It's not a simple habit tracker or let's say gym application that most of the people show on the internet. We are going to create a decision battle where we are going to integrate AI in that, so it will be do all the thing for us. It's not the simple application, and you will get the full understanding of how to create mobile apps. You can use this application for compare two decision and take the right one, because lots of the time it's happened with me that I just think about two options and I can't choose which one is better. And we are going to use Expo and React Native language for that. You don't need to understand that language. Even I don't know how to code, but we are going to create that for free. So for creating that, you have two options. First is free one and second one is paid one. I will show you the paid one first and then free one. For the paid one, you just want to go on Claude pricing. If you search Claude pricing, you will get this pop-up, and we are going to use Claude Code for that. And you can simply buy their pro plan or max plan. You can choose either one. You can install Claude Code for that just on your computer. If you go on Claude Code, you can download it from here. You can see Claude Code and install it from here, or use a third-party application like Anti-Gravity, Cursor, or etc. In this video, we are going to use Anti-Gravity because it's more convenient for me, and I create all the application, web apps, everything for our client inside Anti-Gravity. So this is our Anti-Gravity. I just open a project. So I just open this folder, select this, and it will be open. I just say it, yes, I trust. And for the installing Claude Code, you want to go on extension and you will find the Claude Code right here. You just want to install that and log in right here, and you can use Claude Code inside your terminal. But if you want the free option, you can use it directly from here. I just close it, and you can see right here you can use Claude Opus 4.6. By the way, I have the pro plan, but even for the free plan of Gemini, you can use Claude Opus 4.6. That's the great deal. So we are going to use this one to show you how to create that in this video. So first of all, we want to tell Claude we want to set up our we want to create a mobile application. So set up the Expo and React Native for that, so we can start creating our mobile application. So I just give this message to the Claude, and now it will set up and install all the things that need to run our mobile application and create it. And we are going to use that app inside my phone, so we can see everything in working, so it works or not. So this is going to happen. Now Claude started to create all the thing to start creating that application. You can see now it run different type of npm and everything, and it created a folder for that. Like right now you can see our Claude Code just do the thing, and now the project is created, and now we can start creating our application. So just here I will type we want to create an application called decision battle. In that we are going to add the LLM model to make the right decision. So in that the user give their challenge, what they are trying to decide, and using our LLM we want to compare that both things and give the user a step-by-step roadmap of which one they want to choose, with the proper advantages, disadvantages, and all the things that required in that. I just give this message also. In that the user can log in. It have different sections. There are chat history and everything, so they can make better decision in their life. So I just give this message right here and hit enter, and now Claude will start creating this application for me, and I can use that inside my phone. While Claude creating that, I will just show you what we want to do. So firstly, inside your mobile you want to install 𝗧𝗵𝗀 Go mobile application. You can use it inside iOS as well as Android. So I just go on my Play Store, and here I want to install 𝗧𝗵𝗀 Go app. So I just search, and you can see this is that application you want to install. If you can see, I just install it, and from here we can run our application inside our mobile. So it will be installed just now, and our setup for right here is done. Now I just place it right here, and now let's wait to complete that whole thing what Claude started. Just now Claude just created the whole implementation plan, what the information it needed. I will just check it that everything right here is correct and just approve this. So while Claude creating the whole web app, we will configure our API key. So I will just go on my new tab, and here you just want to go platform.openai.com. Right here you want to go on API keys, and you want to create a new API key. So I just go here and create my API key. Just name it YT mobile app. I just gave it this name, and select your organization, and I will just create that API key. And within a minute you can see I get my API key. I just copy it and keep it safe. Just done. And now my integrity creating that whole thing. Just let me wait to complete it. You can see now our mobile application is ready. Right here you can see our Claude will complete all the steps to create the decision battle. Now we will test it on our web browser, also on our mobile. So firstly let's test it on the web browser, and if everything is great, then we will start it on our mobile. So I will just go right here so you can also see it betterly. So I just go here and say, now let's run it on locally on my computer so I can see everything in working. Then when I test everything, then I will ask you for the QR code so I can see it is inside using the 𝗧𝗵𝗀 Go app. So I just send this message, and now it will run it locally on my computer. So I can see it inside the browser, and then if everything looks good and everything is set up, then we will go and test it inside our mobile. I know we are not integrated our LLM model right here, so it will not going to work, but let's test it how it's looking and everything. Okay, right now it give me a error, so I just take a screenshot of this and just go and paste it inside my browser. I show this error, so please fix that and just send it. You just want to tell your Claude that this error happening inside our application, so just fix that. And when we are going to test it live, we are checking different things, what's going to working and what's not working. We just make a list of it and just paste right here, and Claude will handle the rest. So like within 40 seconds Claude just fix that. If I go back to right here and just refresh it, you can see the decision battle is working well. I just see it on a mobile tab. Like right now you can see it is the size of a mobile. So let's check it on this. You can see it have decision battle. It's create the logo as well, and its logo looks good. I like it. And make battle decision with AI powered analysis. So just get started right here. You can see it will ask us few details. We want to fill that, and you can see just test it. I just take it my name, leave right here my email, and you can see this app is ready to go. Okay, you just want to type your option A right here versus option B and the context what you want to do, and it will start the battle. Right here it have a history tab where it shows all the histories and the profile section, and overall everything looks good. You can also sign out right here. Let's try to sign out, and it's not working. Okay, sign out button is not working, and we don't want the OpenAI API key section right here. We are also going to remove that as well. Let's put it right here, like buying a bike or taxi. Just a simple here I'm confused between buying a bike to go on my college or just use taxi every day. So which one is more better and convenient and cost effective for me? So I just give you this right here and just battle, and you can see nothing happen. Nothing will start and everything because our API key is not integrated. So let's fix that everything. First of all, I want to paste my API key inside .env folder. You can see it's my .env, and I will just paste my API key right there. So right now we want to tell it, I paste my API key inside our .env folder, and inside UI we don't want the section of paste our OpenAI API key. We don't want that. And whenever we also the logout button not working, so make sure it's also going to work. And one more thing I noticed, when we put two decisions and the context and click on start battle, nothing happens. Like now we integrated LLM. Now we proceed both things and the context and give the user both advantages, disadvantages, and which thing they want to use. And in the history they will see all the previous battles that they did for their decision making. So I just give this prompt our anti-gravity and paste it. So let's see, within few minutes it will fix everything. I paste my API keys. This is the most important thing that for our mobile app, and after it's working on our web, I will install it inside my mobile to check everything. For that we want to use terminal. So right here you can see the toggle panel. You just want to click right there and your terminal will be open. It have the problems, output, debug, console, and terminal. We want to use terminal to use that, and right here it will show us a full code that we want to scan inside our mobile. Okay, now it says it fixed all the changes, and let's go back, and right here let's check it that it's fixed or not. I just refresh it, and now it will remove the OpenAI API key section. Here our battle, and let's check it again. I'm confused between I want to buy a bike or using taxi. I'm going to use that for going to my college and my office. So it's like everyday use. So which method is more convenient for me? So I just give this prompt, and let's check now it's working or not. If it's not working, we will test again. Now our AI is analyze our opinion, and it says it may take few seconds, and now see what it's going to show us. And it says false, receive none, it says console error. I don't know what's going to happen right here. I just take a screenshot of it, and we are going to use that later. And it says buying a bike. It's recommend us to buy a bike. It's more convenient for us. Its score both bike is 80 and taxi will be 60. Key decision making, advantage, disadvantage, everything. Actional roadmap, it also show us the action roadmap. So everything is good. You can see this is not looks good. So now let's fix that. So I just paste this. When I run the test and the result will be shown, I will see an error right below on the corner, and it shows this. I uploaded the screenshot. As well as in the battle, you will see a typo mistake or something like that. I don't like the font of 75% confidence in the recommended choice. So please fix that as well. So I just want to take a screenshot of it, and let's paste it right here, and Claude will be fix that for us. Okay, now Claude says it's fixed. Let's refresh it, and you can see it's already fixed. The 75% confidence is great, and still I receive this message. I don't know what is this. We will fix that, but now everything looks good, and now let's check it inside our mobile. So I just say okay, everything looks good, and now I want to test it inside my mobile. So I have installed the 𝗧𝗵𝗀 app. So what is the next process? and it will give us a command that we want to run inside our terminal, and then the code will appear that we can use to scan using our mobile. Now you can see I just type these two commands right here, and now it's going to start our server. I just expand it, and you can see it will give us a QR code right here. So I just open my mobile, and right now I want to scan this QR code. So I just started my recording my screen right here, and you can see it have scan QR code option. I just go and scan it. So I just go here, and you can see inside my mobile it will starting that project, and it seems like I see an error. So that's why I just go on Claude and say I see an error that the project is incompatible with the version of 𝗧𝗵𝗀. So this is the error I am seeing. I just want to check that our 𝗧𝗵𝗀 is latest version or not, and you can see our version is latest. Still this error happen. I just try again, and still this happen. So I want to fix that first. I have the latest version of 𝗧𝗵𝗀 app. It's not have any update. I have the latest version of this application, but still it says this error. Maybe it's some internal error of this application, and it will be get fixed when you are watching this video, probably within few hours or 1 to 2 days. This app will be fixed, I don't know, but this is all the thing. You just want to check it from right there, and this is just the video where I show how you can create that application and how you can test it. Probably while you are testing this, the 𝗧𝗵𝗀 app is fixed, and you will do that task yourself. So that's it for today's video. I will show you everything how you can create the mobile application, but I don't show you how to deploy it on our Play Store and App Store, how to add a database right there, a authentication system that is stable, and everything. So if you want to see that, just comment me below. I want the full course, and I will drop a full course on that. It's probably 2 to 3 hours, and in that I will show you everything step by step, not just building this type of simple prototype, but building a full production ready mobile app. So if you want, just comment me below. I will create it only if you demand, otherwise I'm not going to make it. If you want, just comment me below. And if you want to see how I automate my entire marketing campaign to get my clients, just watch this video where I explain everything about that. Click here and watch it. So you will see how I create the operating system to manage my whole business. Click here and watch it.